is there a breach of confidentiality between Tom and John? In a crack method for the memo, you'd be telling them your conclusion, whatever your conclusion would have been. Tom breached his duty of confidentiality to his client.
Whether the issue or the expectation is reasonable, you also need to conduct some other tests. And this test is being stated in your case of Aaron Edwards. So there are 4 things in there that you must also answer to say that whether John's expectation of privacy is also objectively reasonable.
You will see, or you will come to discover that standing may be a separate question on its own, just like we have answered today. It may be a separate question, but it still doesn't mean you will not address the issue of standing in that question. Legitimate expectation cannot be used to generate a substantive outcome.
And all of that. So it's not particularly your conclusion, it's your ability to spot out the correct issues, apply the relevant and most appropriate legal principles, do your analysis and make sure that your conclusion flows logically and reasonably from your analysis, and you'll be good, right?